Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get free Chinese New Year lantern in Visit. In this latest Visit update, you can get a brand new lantern for free and it's super easy to claim. First, just open the shop icon on your screen, this one, and then just scroll down and then just enter the code like this, New Year lantern on the all capital, and then next just simply tap on redeem like this, and you will instantly receive the Chinese New Year lantern in your inventory, and it will look like this, like this, like this. Yeah, like it looks like a traditional lantern like this, Chinese traditional lantern like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.